Today, mommy teach you English. Did you remember last week? What letter did mommy teach you? Letter Q, okay? Q. The sound of letter Q, quirk, quirk, queen, quirk, quirk, queen, quirk, quirk, queen, quirk, quirk, question. Right? We already studied letter Q. After letter Q is letter R. R. Tat, 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 tat. Letter R. Can you say it, baby? R. R. The sound of letter R say R. 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 The sound of letter R say R. What is the picture? Start with letter R. I just sang that song. Pen. Rain. Do you see it? Rain. R for rain. R for rain. 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 Okay, baby? Rain. Rain. One more. What is that? That is the animal. That animal is so smart, have long ear. Pit. It is rabbit. Can you say rabbit, baby? Yeah, rabbit. Yeah, can you say it? Rabbit or for rabbit or for rabbit. 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 Or for rabbit. One more picture. Yay! Rainbow. Stephen, can you say it? Rainbow. Rainbow. Do you like rainbows? How many colors? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, rainbow has 7 colors, baby. Rainbow has 7 colors. Can you say it? Or for rainbow? Yes. One more last. Oh, do you like it? It is a rocket. Can you say it, baby? Rocket. Or for 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 rainbow. Or for rabbit. Or for rain. Rain. Rainbow. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rocket. Say again. Rocket. Rocket. Rainbow. Rainbow. One more is rabbit. Rabbit. One more is rain, rain, go away, you'll come again on another day. It is rocket. It is rain. Baby, let's look here. Rocket. Pew! Rain. Rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain. Which one is rocket? Woo! Rocket. Woo! Can you choose it? Which one? Rocket, baby? Rocket. Woo! Up into the sky. Which one? Rocket. Can you choose it, baby? Rocket. Or for rocket. Woo! Choose one. Rocket. Woo! Rocket. Can you choose one, baby? Rocket. Rocket. Can you choose it? Which one? Rocket. Woo! Which one? Rocket, baby. Can you choose it? Which one? Rocket. Rocket. Woo! Get one. Get one. Which one? Rocket. Get one. A rocket. Woo! Now, which one? Rocket? Then? Choose one. Get one. Do you want to get one? Do you want to get rocket? Woo! So, again, mommy tell you again. Rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain, rocket, rain. Which one is rocket? Rocket. Rocket. So, get one. Rocket. Do you want to choose it, baby? Do you want to choose it, baby? Rocket. Or for rocket. You don't want to choose this picture? Okay, mommy will let you choose this one. You don't like. So, mommy will let you choose rabbit and rainbow. Rabbit, rainbow, rabbit, rainbow, rabbit, rainbow, rabbit, rainbow. Which one is rabbit? The animal. Good job! Baby like rabbit. This is rabbit, baby. You throw my things away. You throw my things away. Why? Okay, one more. Which one is rainbow? Has a one color. Rainbow, rainbow. Which one is rainbow, baby? Rainbow, baby. Oh, this one, right? Rainbow. Good job. Well done, baby. You choose correct. Rabbit and rainbow. Okay, can you say it again? Or for rain, or for rainbow, or for rabbit, or for rocket. Do you like rocket? Woo! The rocket up into the sky. Woo! A rocket. Okay. A rocket. Okay. Okay, good job, baby. Or rocket, or for rabbit, or for rainbow, or for rain. Okay, good job. High five. Good job. One more. High five. High five. High five. High five. Clap your hand. Bye bye. Welcome back to Smartboy channel again. Mommy, it's me again, teacher Boran. Today I teach my kid about English. Don't forget, for mommy and daddy are new in my channel, please subscribe, like and share. If you have any comment, you can comment below. Thank you all your watch my video. Love you. Bye bye.